Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Maryam, or welcome back to my channel if you know me. In today's video, I am going to be doing a full, thorough review of the new Dominique Cosmetics Berries and Cream collection. Now, some of you might know that I've been away for 10 days in Hong Kong, so I got a ton of packages in the mail. This was one of the 2 packages that I absolutely had to open immediately, right away, because I needed to get my hands on it. I needed to test it. I needed to try it out, give you guys the scoop, the truth, the tea. You know how we do. So without further ado, let's get to this first impressions tutorial swatches of Berries and Cream by Dominique Cosmetics from my girl Christen Dominique. Let's do this. Let's open up this PR package. Here we have some cards with some information with a beautiful picture of Christen Dominique, Deepika, and also Karen. I love these girls. They are all so super sweet and so gorgeous. Here is a card with some info. Berries and Cream eyeshadow palette. 12 new eyeshadows designed to create a wide variety of looks from soft to sultry to high impact and dramatic. 8 creamy pigmented matte shades to brighten and give definition. 3 beautiful silky shimmer shades to highlight, and 1 unique golden glitter. Creamy matte to add a bit of glitz and glam to any look. Boom. We also have 2 liquid lipsticks in here, both berry toned, pinkish sort of colors. They retail for $18 each, and the palette is $44. First things first, here is the outer shell of the packaging. Here is what the palette looks like. OMG. I looked at it for the first time yesterday on Insta Stories while I was unboxing this, but even seeing it again in this good studio light, I am just so impressed with the color scheme. I love the fact that it's very much a berries and cream theme. I love this shade here. I love this blue. There's just a lot of cool shit in here. Look at the shape of these pans. It's like a octagon shape. Pretty unique, never seen that before. I like it. I think I am ready for some swatches. I need my swatch model though. We're gonna go straight across the top row and then straight across the bottom row. Ooh, these feel so creamy. First shade is Warm Pie. Warm Pie, oh my. Next one is Chocolate Mousse. Girl, Sweet Cream. Here is Toasted. Really excited about this next color. Bittersweet. Oh! Soft and Sweet is next. Can't really see it on your skin tone.
Because I'm soft and sweet.
Yes, you are, baby. Next we got Honey Dipped. Ooh! Sugar Cookie. Cranberry. Work. Blueberry Muffin. Ha! Okay. Cherry Juice. And last but not least is Blackberry. Okay, those swatches were pretty impressive, and I don't even get impressed by swatches, but you know, you guys like them, so I'm trying to deliver here for you. But really what I'm most excited about is actually creating a look with this one. Let's get this party started, shall we? I am going to pick up a little bit of this Soft and Sweet. Man, this mirror is giant. I'm gonna utilize it. I'm gonna apply that to the outer portion of my transition and then just blend it in. Very soft and sweet, indeed. Just like Christen Dominique herself. She is just one of the sweetest people out there. Oh, and in case you guys are wondering why I'm wearing a hat in this tutorial, well, first of all, I'm trying to hide these hair extensions. And secondly, we're actually having record-breaking cold weather here on the East Coast. Okay, I think that's enough of soft and sweet. Love this shade so far. Also gonna take that on an edge of a flat brush and just apply it to the bottom and then connect to the top. For sure, I wanna use this Bittersweet on my lid. So I'm gonna pick it up with another flat brush. Ooh, I'm gonna apply it all over my lid. This applies beautifully with a brush. With the finger, it applies even better. Are we not appreciating this color? Is this not gorgeois? This shade is giving me so much life right now. Just gonna blend it out a bit with the brush. And then I'm gonna pick up the previous brush and just kinda, you know, do a little bit of this. I'm gonna pick up a little bit of this cherry juice and I'm gonna add it to the outer crease just to intensify. I'm using this Morphe M507 brush. It's a really precise, tiny little blending brush. And I'm using it to kind of apply the color and then also to blend it out. I'm gonna use a clean dome-shaped brush to diffuse the edges a little bit, just so it's not such an obvious line. And for those of you who don't know Christen, you should look her up and you should subscribe to her channel because she is a great person. She does great makeup reviews. She's a friend of mine. And now she has a makeup line and it's proving itself to be quite awesome. I want to try out this blueberry muffin. I'm gonna apply it right here. Oh my God, I'm gonna apply it here to intensify. For some reason, I expected it to be a lot more muted, even though I swatched it and I know how pigmented it is. But look how beautiful this looks together. You know what's crazy? Whenever I test out palettes for the very first time, I never really have a look in mind. I just let the colors speak to me. In this instance, I actually feel like I'm creating a tutorial of a look that you guys requested because it's just coming out so good and I'm almost like shocked myself. All right, let's do a little sugar cookie in the inner corner. Let's do a little sweet cream in the brow arch. I'm gonna go back with soft and sweet and just blend that. For the lower lash line, do we want something shimmery? Perhaps some warm pie? Yeah, this is a very unique shade. It's got some gold glitters in here. I'm using this little Wayne Goss brush, which I think is perfect for the lower lash line. All right, that is looking rather bomb. I think I want just a little bit of liner. So I'm gonna do that with my usual BALM Cosmetics Schwing Liner. I'm gonna use a shimmery brown pencil liner on my waterline, just for a little pop. Okay, let's put on some lashes and then I will be right back for the lips. The lashes are on. I think I chose the perfect lashes for this look. Demure Lite by House of Lashes. I like these and I like this look. Okay, lips time. We have 2 liquid lipsticks in the Berries and Cream collection. Plumberry, the darker pinkish purple, and Creamy Pink, the pinkish pink. I'm gonna go for the pinkish one first. Formula is great on this one. Just gonna add a little bit of stripped down pencil on top because I want to smudge out this line. Also gonna add a little bit of Plumberry just to the outer corners for a little ombre action. I like this. And with that, my look is complete using the new Berries and Cream palette and collection by Dominique Cosmetics for my girl, Christen Dominique. My verdict for this collection is the following. I think this eyeshadow palette is absolutely 100% a hit. Yes, it is a hit, and you guys must get your hands on it. You saw the colors, they blend flawlessly, the pigment is there. Even the swatches were there, and you know how I feel about swatches. The lipsticks speak for themselves. They're great quality, beautiful colors. What more can you ask for? Maybe you could focus for me, that would be great. And I will do the swatching. Why did I say that with a fake French accent? I don't know. No pain, no gain. Come on. Let's get it started in here. Know what I mean? Berries and cream. I hope you guys enjoyed this review tutorial, first impression swatches, and I will see you guys in the next one. I love you so much. Mwah!